know I need a fucking stabilizer. I think by now you guys should know that I want to work on anything in terms of like my content. It's like I just go with the flow. So some travel tips, things to keep in mind if you're coming into Cambodia. If you have a hat, make sure that you can cinch it down. I see people having their hats fly away. Make sure you have like UV type of clothing for like arm sleeves or like a hoodie to cover up your flesh, because you're gonna fucking get burnt. You see, most people are wearing long sleeves because the sun is so fucking intense. And I think it's a good idea to have a change of clothes, unless if you don't mind being sweaty and nasty. Like, this is the second day in the row that, or I've gotten into a habit of just taking my bra off whenever I go out. It's like, you know, I arrive to, let's just say, a mall or movie theater, and it just feels gross. Like, just think about having a sweaty garment clinging to your skin. It's just very uncomfortable. And you're gonna be thirsty. That's why I keep saying, like, my best tip is to really plan your trip well, factoring in the explosive diarrhea, food poisoning, and the logistics of finding a clean bathroom. Like, just imagine what it would be like having explosive diarrhea and no toilet paper. I think that would probably be somebody's worst nightmare, right? So you gotta be prepared. And then also, I told you a lot of the hotels or hostels, they do not allow you to bring outside food or drinks into the accommodations. So you gotta think about all these things. And then, like, even if they do provide drinking water, do you really think that they keep, like, the upkeep, like, cleaning of the drinking fountains or whatever? I mean, I don't know if you're an expert at tasting the difference, or if you even give a fuck. Maybe you just drink straight up tap water. How the fuck am I supposed to know? I really want to get a fucking manual lawnmower. I don't know if I am even able to upload to YouTube from this phone. I shouldn't be, but I was trying to, and I couldn't do it with the Wi-Fi at the mall, so I don't know what's going on. I'm going to try again when I get back to the hotel. So yeah, I'm probably going to have to spend some money to get new plants for the house when it's time for me to leave, because obviously some of them, I mean, especially after 1 week of not being at home, and I don't have the automatic watering devices for the plants, the house plants. So far, I think I only have 2 house plants left inside the house. I put everything else outside.